What happened? Oh, get up here. Hit the bump. Yeah, guys, Richard here. Riding something new today. I'll show you in a few minutes. Just hang tight with me. Just gonna get out and check it out. This is my first ride other than right in front of the house, just to adjust the derailleur that I had to get done. Yeah, so anyway, yeah, this is the Radster Trail by Rad Power Bikes. Appreciate them sending us something to review on the channel. This is the first Rad that we've had on the channel, so this is pretty nice. No lies, it's a pretty good riding bike. Yeah, so stick around, I'll show you here in a few minutes what it's all about. But yeah, torque sensor, 8-speed, feels good in the pedal, huge sprocket. That crank is just massive, so I'm gonna have to see what size that is. Motor's super quiet. I hear the tires. I don't hear anything else. So that's super nice. Got good resistance in the pedals. Let's kick it up here a little bit. Put up in 3. 17, 18 miles an hour. Plenty of resistance in the pedal. And I'm only in 6th gear. I've got 2 more gears to go. Holy smokes. We just put this together this morning. My buddy Ron came over and helped me. Didn't need much. Packaging was awesome. Yeah, there's super nice box. I mean, you know, not often we talk about packaging around here, but the box was really nice. It was the kind where you can just pop the lid off, basically, and the whole box comes off the bottom piece and reveals everything right there. And so you didn't have to drag and lift and pull and tug and try to get it out of the box. Didn't have to cut up the box or anything. So that worked out really nice. I mean, didn't skip a beat going through the grass right there, and it was kind of rough riding. Yeah, so anyway, got it put together this morning and found that the derailleur was really out of adjustment. I mean, it didn't want to stay in any gear. I was just kind of flopping all over the place. That's unfortunate. Occasionally we get them in like that, you know, where we now have to do an adjustment on the derailleur, but for the most part, usually not. Usually they're set at the factory, all's good to go. So I don't know. Whoever assembled this at the factory must have had an off day or something. I don't know. There's not a suspension seat post on here, I don't think. It feels really smooth. I mean, these are 3-inch tires. 27.5 by 3 inch. I believe is what the tires are. Well, let's pull over up here. We're going to pull over here and let you take a look. But, oh my goodness, this thing is just super nice. The torque sensor is really good. Love the gearing on it. Plenty of pedal resistance there. All right, let's take a look at this thing. This green monster, I'll call it. I don't know. Rad Power Bike. Yeah, check it out. So it's a mid-step. Battery is 15 amp hour battery. And the brown sidewall tires. Kind of different, but it goes with the color of the bike, so that's kind of cool. So those were I believe it was 27.5, right? 27.5 by 3. Hydraulic brakes. Pretty good suspension here. Not sure what the size is on that, but big crank. I don't know what size tooth that is on that crank. I wonder if it says anywhere. Nope, don't see it. A big crank. It is UL certified. That's nice to see. Radster Trail. It's got the Shimano Altus derailleur. Yeah. Threaded inserts on the frame for the rack. Got threaded inserts on the rack. It's got blinkers, taillight blinkers. It's kind of interesting. I mean, if it's a trail bike, you know, you wouldn't expect blinkers. I'm happy that it does, because the majority of the time it's going to be ridden on the road. It's only going to be ridden on trail, you know, occasionally. So that's cool. Because it's ridden on trail, I do wish it had a derailleur guard, though, for a trail bike. That would have worked. I always put one on after the fact. Maybe I should do that. Let's move on up here. Oh, here's another thing. Can't show you much about the fender, but I can tell you this section of fender right here they're split. It's a 3-piece fender. This section of fender in here, it's got like this really thick steel plate that goes from there to there. Strange. I mean, this isn't your typical just plastic fender. This piece is plastic. I guess that piece is too, but that big old thick metal piece that runs the length of the midsection there. That's kind of interesting. Yeah, Tektro hydraulic brakes. Grips, I like those. I like this button pad. Button pad's kind of unique. I haven't seen a button pad like that before. But you can easily get to your blinkers right here on either side. And your pass levels are right here, up and down. This one came with a bell. Kind of cool. The display is real nice. Basic, kind of simple. I don't know if you can see that in there. But I like it. It's colorful. Yeah, I like the display a lot. 8-speed, super nice. Paddle shifters on the sides. Yeah. And it's a twisty throttle. So let's get back up here. It's pretty nice. Let's use the throttle. I haven't been using the throttle at all. I've just been pedaling. So let's try the throttle and see how it does. No one coming. Just gonna jump out here. All right. We're in pass 3. See what she does. You don't jackrabbit out there or anything. It's nice, slow, and very controlled. That's good. Sometimes they're real aggressive, and then it scares people. You know, when they hop on it and they hit the throttle or something, and it just takes off really fast. It can be very intimidating. But this is really nice and controlled. Let's do that again. Let's stop right here. I'll tell you what, let's see if there's any difference if we put up in pass 5. There we go. Yeah, I think there might be a little difference there. That's full throttle, but it's still very controlled. You know, very, very slow. There's 18. There's 20. It ships as a class 2. You can unlock it to a class 3. I haven't done that yet. I'll figure that part out. Unlock it so it goes faster. I'm actually going to take this out tomorrow, I think. So Devin and I, my son-in-law, Devin, we're going to go riding, doing some trail riding. Found a new place to go, and we're going to go and explore it some more. And so I think I might be taking this one out there. Yeah, get familiar with it on the trail and see how she does. So we'll be bringing you a video about that too, so make sure you stick around and subscribe for that and be looking for that. I like it though. I like it a lot. Components all seem really good. Nothing feels cheap, nothing looks cheap. Just a good riding bike. Let's see, since we're going a little faster, let's go ahead and kick it up in 7th gear. Good pedal resistance, good cadence. I'm not spinning my legs too fast or anything. I'm already at the max 20, and I'm only in 7th gear. So unlock this thing, we should probably comfortably pedal up to 22, 23 without going too fast, I imagine. I'll figure all that before I do the full review on video, so make sure you stick around and be looking for that full review. But yeah, this is a nice riding bike. Nice riding bike. Let's go across the grass here. Oh yeah. Go this way. This is a little bumpy through here, but looks like they repaired our sidewalk right there finally. Yeah, that sidewalk was in really bad shape. Had a really nasty bump to it. Look, that bike just plowed right through the grass without hesitation. Good riding. I like it a lot. Look, let's stop and look at something real quick. Why does it feel so smooth in the back? Does it? That's not a suspension seat post. That's just a standard seat post. And there's no rear suspension. But it rides nice. Huh. Just, I don't know. Just felt good. I've got 25 pounds in the tires, I think. The tires said you could go up to 35. I only put 25 in it. That seemed plenty enough to me, even though they say they can go up to 35 max. Because I know I was going to be taking it trail riding, and I didn't want to, I wanted to have some nice grip on the ground and a little softer ride, so maybe that's it. But even while riding it, they're not squished or anything. It's not like I'm running with the tires all squished out. I'm not sure what would make this feel so different, but it certainly does. There we go. That's a little stiff when you're in 7th gear and you're starting out from slow. You can really feel it. Hey guys, this bike comes in 2 different sizes. I've got the large. I'm not sure if the medium one, if it's just the frame that's smaller, or if they actually have smaller tires. I didn't look too closely. I'm a big guy. I just said, yeah, definitely get the large one. So check it out. because I don't know, maybe it's got smaller tires or something with a smaller frame. But I like it a whole lot. I'm going to be doing a comparison video here before too long, because I got 3 bikes now that are similar in design, for trail riding and stuff. So yeah, we're going to be getting those out and doing a comparison video after we do the full review of this one, of course. I'll have to find a couple more riders to go riding with me and compare all 3 of them out on trail. That'd be a good video, wouldn't it? Tell me what you think. What you think? That'd be a good video? I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty sweet. I was gonna stop my video back there. I'm still going. I'm like, what the heck? I don't want to get off this thing. And you know what's really interesting? Hey, look, we're gonna stop here in front of my buddy Ron's house. He might be sitting in his office right there. I don't know if he is or not. But here, check this out. That's a stock saddle. Can you see that? Whoops, maybe I should show you. It's a stock saddle. But even after riding it for like 15, 20 minutes or something, typically a stock saddle would make you think twice about going too far. Not yet. That one's pretty decent. For a stock saddle, it's pretty decent. I could ride this for a while. I mean, I'll still probably put my favorite saddle on it, because it is wider, just provides better support, and I'll probably eventually do that anyway, but I'm in no hurry. You know what though? I may have to rig up a suspension seat post for tomorrow though, since I know I'm going to be trail riding with Devin, and I know where we're going to be. It's going to be pretty rough and bumpy and stuff. I think I will see if I can swap it out with one of the other bikes and get me a suspension seat post. Just because. But for a city cruiser or something, this works for that too. This just cruising around, super nice bike. And it's got that luggage rack back there. I didn't look on the website, but it had threaded inserts, so I imagine they have a basket or something you can buy to put on there if you want to use it as a grocery getter cruising around. Let's consider that maybe. Heck yeah. Wow. Super nice. Alright guys, I'm going to have to end this video. It's getting long. I might continue riding for a little bit though. Yeah, I probably will. I mean, sometimes you get bikes that are just like, okay, it's just another, typical bike, whatever. Doesn't, nothing too special about it. And the looks of this bike it's a nice look. But at first glance, it's like, okay, yeah, it's another bike. When you've been a YouTube guy for a couple of years now, and you've seen a lot of different bikes, sometimes it's, you just don't get excited about certain bikes, because it's just like all the rest. Not this one. Not this one. This one's one that I wasn't too excited about to begin with. It's like, oh, okay, But now that I've ridden it for just a few miles, yeah, heck yeah. I like it. I like it. I was concerned that being like a trail bike, that maybe the handlebars would be sitting too low and I'd feel like I'd want to raise those up or something. But surprisingly, nope. These are good height for being a tall guy like I am. Handlebars at a good height. I don't feel like I'm, having to lean forward and slouch over, because typically when I start doing that, it starts hurting my wrists and shoulders and arms. But no, it's fine. I think it's fine just the way it is, at least so far. Hey, I said I was going to end this video a little bit ago. So let's go ahead and end it here. Appreciate you guys watching. Like and subscribe. Comment down below. Ask me any questions about the Rad. I'll try to find answers for you and get it back to you. If you're interested in the Rad power bike, make sure you follow the link down below. Check it out. Get some more details. I'll see you in another video real soon.